Hi all, our today's topic is connected architecture in ASP.NET. So first we will understand the meaning of connected architecture and then we will apply it with the login form. So to access the data retrieved from the database, the connection to the database should always be open. It means whenever you are retrieving the data, you are accessing the data from the database. In connected architecture, your connection should always be open. So these are the steps for it. Step number 1, connect to database. Step number 2, access the data. And step number 3, close the connection. First you have to open the connection, then you can access the data, means you can do the transaction with the database, and then you can close the connection. So now we switch to the Visual Studio. I have created a user login page and we have one table. It's a ulogin, that UID and upassword, two fields are there, and we have a one record. Okay, connection is ready. Now move to the button click event of and you have to open the connection first. Con.open. Con is the object of connection. Then take a variable of string type and store the query in queue. Select star from table name is a u login, where our first field is uid equals to, we have a varchar data type in both the field uid and password, so single double plus is for the syntax. So txt qname dot text and password equals to same thing, so txt pass dot text. Okay, now take a SQL command, create its object equals to new SQL command. Now provide the query with the queue and connection string with the con variable to SQL command. Now take a data SQL data reader to read the data from the database, right? Because we are using a connected architecture, so SQL data reader will be used. Creates its object. So now CMD has a query, so CMD will execute it with the method called execute reader, and the result will be stored in a DR. Now DR will check if DR founds any rows DR founds any rows, or we can use a read method also. DR can read, then give a simple message box like a response dot write give alert here. It's a login done. else login fail. Okay, it's simple. So now run this. Okay, so this is our user login page. I'm going to enter the true records. Click on login. So login done, and close the connection at the end. Okay, you have to stop the website first. Dot close. It takes a second. Yes, now I'm going to enter the wrong record, so login fail. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, subscribe it.